What are you doing, dude?
It's New Year's.
You can't go anywhere.
Yeah, but we're drinking nerdy. What? Welcome to Drinking Nerdy.
Welcome back to Drinking Nerdy. I'm Jane, this is Gus, and today we're making some New Year's cocktails.
Before we get started on our conversation about New Year's, let's make some drinks.
Yeah, drinks.
9, 8, 8, 8.
Oh, will this horrible year never end?
We've never lost a year before, and I'll be damned if we're gonna lose one on my shift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I definitely love champagne, but I love even more is a champagne cocktail. So let's make one. We're going to start with 1 ounce of Lillet Rose, half an ounce of Grenadine, half an ounce of lemon juice, and a couple dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Ice. Strain into your favorite coupe. And top with some bubbly. Happy New Year.
Here's to another lousy millennium.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What the?
I like my New Year's parties like I like my drinks. Fun. So I'm going to show you how to make a fun drink. Start with half an ounce of the most delicious scheisse ever, razzmatazz. I mean, if you're fancier, you can use Chambord, I guess. Top it up with some bubbly. Add a little pinch of, you guessed it, nope, not that, it's sugar. The sugar will make the champagne bubble. And while the sugar is acting up, it makes your champagne bubble more. We're gonna add some gold-covered chocolate pop rocks and see them float all over like a lava lamp. Cheers, you party animals. Well, my nerds, I wish you a very beautiful new year. Elegant, classy, nerdy.
Oh yeah.
Salud. Cheers,
Happy New
Janie.
Year's.
I love gold.
I love bubbly.
She like that bubbly. She like that bubbly. She like that.
So loud.
How can no one knows that song? Oh my god, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it. It's a Vine. I love that bubbly.
Also, you're misquoting it. It's I want that bubbly. I want that bubbly. Because I found
Drinking
the line.
Nerdy's over. This relationship is done. I'm really enjoying this though, by the way.
I am too.
It's like a pseudo Cœur Royale, like razzmatazz, my favorite thing. Champy, my favorite, and gold cover pop rocks. Bro, it's so fun. Like, look at them. It's like a lava lamp. Like, look at it just go all around. Look at that. Look at that.
Mine's kind of a play on the traditional champagne cocktail. A little bitters, a little sugar. But I made it a little sweeter and a little pink.
Yours is definitely classier. Yours is like a James Bond kind of cocktail. Mine's like the Great Gatsby kind of party.
So, Gus,
Okay?
do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, my resolution is to go to the gym at the beginning of the year. No, I'm just playing. I'm not doing that. I vow to have more fun, see more new things, live that life, baby, and have a few champagnes along the way.
It's a good plan.
How are you, Jane? What you got?
Rule the world, of course.
God.
Or, just make cocktails on YouTube with my friend.
Salud, I like that. Everything's better with champagne.
It is.
Yeah. So, dude, I'm gonna tell you about some of the crazy things that we did growing up for New Year's. You know, obviously we always party. We've been in the industry for so long that New Year's has been working parties my entire adult life, which is fun. I really enjoy it. I mean, I love seeing people happy. I love seeing people party. I love making that happen. But growing up, we used to. So where I grew up, fireworks are very accessible. So, and some of them are of dubious content on the inside. Definitely not safe for work. So it was like legend that there are these little ones called Dove. It's like a little triangle, and they apparently they used to actually pack a little dynamite in them. That was the legend. I don't think, but they banged really freaking loud. So as kids, we would do like the dumbest things. Like we would grab like a little box and just pack it with those little like fireworks, and just like, and we would all run, and all you would hear is like all over. And then there was these little ones that looked like little tiny eggs with like a match. You light it up and you throw it. It like spins like really crazy. I actually, during the holidays in South America, there is a lot of accidents. A lot of people like blow their hands up because of drinking and fireworks. I mean, it happens in the States too, I guess.
4th of July.
But the fireworks are way more regulated in the States, I think. I think it's
Probably.
it's way more regulated. It's a lot harder because not a lot of them are like, except like the ones that fly up in the sky, right?
Yeah.
But like not like they don't have like Chinese New Year, the little firecrackers that.
Yeah.
That's kind of like what a non-regulated firework industry looks like. And I actually had a friend growing up. His dad blew up like 3 of his fingers on I forget if it was a Christmas or New Year's, but he blew up like 3 of his fingers because he was intoxicated and he forgot to throw the firecracker, and it was fucking weird. It was just disgusting.
My New Year's traditions are not that exciting because, I've worked pretty much every New Year's.
Yeah.
I think this is the first time that I'm not. My tradition usually is, because you get off at like 2, 3 in the morning after like your New Year's, is I always have a bottle of bubbly at home. So I come home at like 3, 4 in the morning. I think one time we worked till like 7 a.m. or something when we were at MGM. And I came home and made myself a mimosa and went to sleep.
Oh my god, yeah, I forget. Dude, if you work in like in the industry, like you're used to having New Year's party, but when you're in the casino industry, you are in those parties till 5 in the morning, dude. Like
Cleaning.
Straight up.
Ugh.
Last year, like right before the pandemic, we had it was a group of Indian party things, and they brought like famous singers from India to do the party.
Cool.
Yeah, it was insane, and let me tell you, they partied hard. I don't know how many like cases of champagne I went through, but everyone was just having a good time. It was just amazing. I love a crazy party.
Me too.
Especially when there's like some random celebrity just shows up. Great.
You know what else is kind of interesting about New Year's? It's like everybody has weird like superstitions around New Year's.
Okay.
Like the eating grapes at midnight, or you're supposed to like go to sleep wearing new clothes or something like that.
Oh my god. Speaking of the grapes.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it's super weird. Like you have to eat one with every bell.
Yeah.
Bro, when I'm by the 5th bell, I'm like I can't eat these freaking grapes. But I remember the first time I got drunk.
Yeah.
It was a New Year's, and I was a kid. Don't blame my parents; they didn't know. But so everyone was in the party, the New Year's party, and everyone's doing their thing. And there was just like a bunch of like leftover champagne glasses all over the place. And me as a stupid kid just went around and started like, it tasted great. It tasted amazing. So I was like drinking it, and like I don't know how much time after, my mom's like, "Hey, what's wrong with you?" And she said that I just started like slurring and saying like random fucking words, and they were like, "Oh my god!" So I had to pick me up and take me to my bedroom. Like, all right, it's time to go to bed. And they said I was going like, "Ooh."
This explains a lot about you.
What? What does that explain, Jane? As I drink a glass of champagne. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. How about you, Jane? You have any like crazy antics of New Year's?
Oh. Do I have
One time I ate a whole pizza by myself.
That's pretty much how I roll.
I think the very first time I did also Edward 40 hands was New Year's, maybe like 8 years ago, 9 years ago. You know Edward 40 hands?
Yeah.
Dude.
Tattoo 40 ounces to your hands.
Yes, it's the stupidest idea ever. And I didn't get beer because I was an idiot. I got like Smirnoff. Like I got 240s of Smirnoff Ice.
Vomit easy.
Oh my god. Do you remember people like icing people?
Oh my god. Yes. I also remember.
Where was that from? The Jersey? Was this Jersey Shore?
I don't know where that started from.
You're a sick person. Whoever came up with that.
Well, let us know what your New Year's traditions are, and let us know what your resolutions are too.
Yeah, and don't be freaking lame like, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym. Oh, I'm gonna quit gluten. Nah, bro. That's fucking lame.
I love gluten too much.
Yes. Oh my god. You don't enjoy a loaf of bread? Just sit there and eat a loaf of bread?
Yes.
You're not living. You're not living. Yeah. Smash the like button. Share it with your family and friends. Let me know if one of your relatives has blown their hands up playing with firecrackers while drunk. And I wish you a happy new year.
Sayonara 2020.
Amen, baby.
Good riddance.